Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome to the Guru's Way. Today we're gonna answer two questions from another beautiful soul, and I'll try to answer the question in two parts if possible. First of all, the question was Guruji has asked us to be compassionate and benevolent, so shouldn't we all be vegans? Animals are being slaughtered and not cared for when dairy farms are producing milk and commercializing milk, and there's a movement against it, and it's valid to a lot of extent in countries where the rules are not strong and in places where it's not done right. But at the same time, that doesn't make drinking milk a bad thing, because milk is something everybody drinks, and we also are encouraged to drink the milk from our own mom. The milk is not bad. The technique by which the milk is being generated is bad. So the point is that veganism is promoting is that animal protection rights, but Gurbani promotes much more than that. The concept of equality is not just for animals, not just for human beings, it's for the whole universe. And the problem with human beings is that if you move to one thing, if you move to veganism today, the capitalists who commercialize the cows and started torturing the animals will find another way of torturing another segment of the society. So the problem is not just not harming animals, the problem is controlling those capitalist people who are allowed to commercialize everything at the cost of humanity. So if you're having an animal at home and you're taking care of the animal well, about the health of the animal, and you're making sure the animal is kept warm in winter, just like people do in Punjab villages, and they rear them well, then there's no harm in drinking milk from the animal. And we need to remember that even our deg kada prasad comes from kyo, which comes from milk. So milk has a big connection to the sick places of worship, in the way we do our prasad and everything else. So I don't think that becoming vegan is a mandate in Sikhism. Yeah, in Sikhism the mandate is not harming anybody, and when you know that the milk has been sourced from a factory or from a place where it's hormones are given, then you need to find other sources of organic milk or more real milk, which are from the which has been obtained from animals which have been bred the natural way. So there are companies, and I'm very sure in the coming future there will be brands which will advocate that, and you will get milk which will be naturally bred. Even Gurbani, there's a Shabad which has got deeper meanings actually, but the analogy that Guruji uses, Doodh piyo Gobinde Rai, Doodh piyo Mera Man Pati Aaye. It's a Shabad from Bhagat Namdev Ji. The doodh is actually referred to the doodh of Amrit, but again, drinking milk is not considered bad in Sikhism. So in conclusion, there's nothing wrong in being vegan. It's actually a good thing. You're taking a step ahead of the game, and but there is no requirement for every Sikh to be vegan. It's a personal choice, and that doesn't do any harm to your progress spiritually. You can make your choices with an alert mind, that you're getting your sources of food, not just milk and the dairy products. Everything that you're getting from sources which are not harming anybody. For example, even if you're getting some Chinese products at home and they're coming from a factory where child labor is involved, that's also equivalent to harming somebody. So think about that. It's not just about being vegan, it's about also what we use in our daily life. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.